Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Windows computer from double-clicking to single-clicking to open files and folders. And now, let's get started. If you are accustomed to single-clicking items to open them on your Windows computer, you might find the default double-click behavior a bit cumbersome. Fortunately, you can easily switch to single-click functionality. To begin this process, open the File Explorer window. Normally, to open any item, you are required to double-click on it. However, we can change this. To do this, locate and click on the three dots icon, which is usually found at the top right corner of the File Explorer window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Options item. Within the Folder Options window, navigate to the General tab. Here, you will find a section titled Click Items as follows. Select the first radio button, which is labeled Single Click, to open the item. After making this selection, click on the Apply button, followed by clicking on OK. Now when you click on a file or folder just once, it will open. This is a neat little tweak that can streamline your workflow. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.